Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove duplicates in Notepad++. So let's get started. At first, open Notepad on your computer. Open the text file in Notepad containing duplicate lines that you want to remove. Now go to Edit menu at the top of your screen. Click here, then select Line Operations. After that, click on Remove Duplicate Lines. This will remove all duplicate lines from the text file. So, here you go. All duplicates are removed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.